15 foods that can help boost collagen in the body and keep you looking young. Let's dive right in. 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is a nutrient-dense liquid created by simmering animal bones and connective tissues for an extended period. It's often hailed as a collagen powerhouse because it contains a substantial amount of collagen itself. When you consume bone broth, you're providing your body with a ready-made source of collagen, which can help promote skin health and elasticity. Additionally, bone broth is rich in amino acids such as proline and glycine, which are essential for collagen synthesis. It also contains hyaluronic acid, a compound known for its ability to maintain skin moisture, reduce wrinkles, and improve skin texture. 2. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These healthy fats are essential for maintaining skin elasticity and promoting collagen production. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and protect collagen from degradation, helping your skin maintain a youthful appearance. They also support overall skin health by reducing redness, dryness, and irritation. 3. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and limes are renowned for their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is a critical player in collagen formation as it is required for the synthesis of collagen fibers. When you include citrus fruits in your diet, you're providing your body with the raw materials it needs to build collagen. Furthermore, vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant, shielding your skin from free radicals, which can lead to premature aging by damaging collagen and causing wrinkles. 4. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and polyphenols. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to collagen breakdown. By reducing oxidative stress, berries protect collagen from damage, helping your skin stay firmer and more youthful. They also contribute to skin health by promoting a radiant complexion. 5. Red and yellow bell peppers. Red and yellow bell peppers are vibrant, colorful vegetables that are incredibly high in vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, as it plays a vital role in the formation of collagen fibers. By adding bell peppers to your diet, you can easily incorporate this nutrient into your meals. As an antioxidant, vitamin C also combats free radicals, reducing their negative impact on your skin and helping to maintain collagen levels. 6. Dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses that offer a unique combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are rich in vitamin C, which stimulates collagen production, ensuring that your body has the necessary resources to build and repair collagen. Additionally, these greens provide essential nutrients such as iron, which supports overall skin health, and antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress and its impact on collagen. 7. Avocado. Avocado is renowned for its healthy monounsaturated fats, which are excellent for skin health. These fats help keep your skin hydrated and reduce the risk of dryness and wrinkles. In addition to healthy fats, avocados supply vitamin E, which is known for its role in protecting collagen from damage and supporting skin health. This combination of nutrients in avocados helps maintain skin elasticity and a youthful appearance. 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are an excellent source of lycopene, a potent antioxidant. Lycopene is known for its ability to protect the skin from the harmful effects of UV radiation. Sun exposure can lead to collagen degradation, which results in premature aging, fine lines, and wrinkles. By consuming tomatoes regularly, you can provide an additional layer of defense for your skin, reducing the negative impact of UV rays. 9. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds, offer a rich array of nutrients that benefit collagen production. These nutrient-packed foods are high in zinc, a mineral that is crucial for collagen formation. Zinc plays a vital role in the enzymatic reactions required for collagen synthesis. Moreover, these nuts and seeds provide a variety of vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall skin health. By including a mix of nuts and seeds in your diet, you ensure that your body has the essential building blocks for collagen production and repair. 10. Garlic. Garlic is well known for its distinctive flavor, but it also contains sulfur compounds that can promote collagen production. Sulfur is a fundamental component of collagen, and garlic's contribution can help your body produce and maintain this vital protein. By including garlic in your culinary creations, you can enhance your body's collagen production, ultimately contributing to healthier and more youthful skin. 11. Eggs. Eggs are a complete source of protein, providing all the essential amino acids your body needs. This includes proline and lysine, which are key for collagen synthesis. When you incorporate eggs into your diet, you ensure that your body has the necessary building blocks for collagen production. Protein-rich foods like eggs support the body's ability to repair and regenerate collagen, helping your skin maintain its firmness and youthful appearance. 12. Green tea. Green tea is renowned for its high content of antioxidants, particularly epigallocatechin gallate. These antioxidants help protect collagen from degradation caused by free radicals. Regular consumption of green tea can aid in maintaining your skin's youthful appearance. EGCG in green tea works to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which can lead to collagen breakdown and premature aging. Additionally, green tea has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe and rejuvenate the skin. 13. Oysters. Oysters are often celebrated as a seafood delicacy, but they also offer a significant nutritional benefit for collagen production. They are an excellent source of zinc, a mineral essential for collagen formation. Zinc is a crucial component in the enzymatic reactions required for collagen synthesis. Including oysters in your diet can help support the production of this essential protein, ensuring your skin remains firm and youthful. 14. Soy. Soy products, including tofu and soybeans, contain genistein, a compound that has garnered attention for its potential to increase collagen levels. Genistein has been studied for its positive impact on skin health and collagen production. While more research is needed, incorporating soy products into your diet may offer benefits for maintaining youthful and healthy skin. 15. Papaya. Papaya is a tropical fruit known for its vibrant color and sweet taste. It is packed with beneficial nutrients that support collagen synthesis and overall skin health. Papaya is high in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen formation. It also contains beta-carotene, which helps protect your skin from UV damage, reducing the risk of collagen degradation due to sun exposure. Furthermore, papaya contains enzymes that have exfoliating properties, promoting smoother skin texture and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. These enzymes can help improve the overall appearance of your skin and maintain a youthful look. Incorporating these 15 foods into your daily diet can significantly contribute to the maintenance of collagen levels and the promotion of youthful skin. While no single food can work miracles on its own, a balanced and diverse diet rich in these collagen-boosting ingredients, combined with a healthy lifestyle and proper skincare, can help you look and feel young for years to come. It's essential to consider these foods as part of a holistic approach to maintaining skin health and a youthful appearance.